even splitting?
Yep.
Okay. I don't even think it's split.
Here, softly. Hit angled. Just a little bit. Because those fins will bend. You see anything? Do this. Hit up on the intake port. Like ding, ding, ding.
That's not even splitting right there.
Oh, there's this bolt right here. Never mind. Let's get
Oh, okay.
Get your 10.
Is it 10 or 12?
It might be a 12, but I think you might need a different type of 10.
It's a 12. Oh, yeah, it's a 12. Oh, we need some of the snake in there, though. Oh, like this. No, it's not good.
Right, let me get a ½ inch for you. Okay, here. Break that thing.
Oh, 7/16.
Oh. Here.
Oh, that's really loose. This way, right?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Okay.
That way.
Okay, that way.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ow!
Alright, let's that's okay. Maybe we need a 12. I'll get a 12.
Oh, yeah. I don't even grip.
Okay.
Oh, man, my back.
Let me see.